Hello everyone, welcome to another video. If you're someone who likes the old YouTube layout more, then you're in for a treat, because in this video I'm going to show you how to restore YouTube layout to old version. So let's get started. First of all, we're going to have to install two of the extensions from our video description. So we're going to copy link number 1 and then install the extension. Well, it has been added. Now we are going to copy link number 2 and install the second extension. So the extension has been installed. Now we are going to use our third link. Also install style. As you can see, the script has been installed. Then we are going to use our fourth link. Also install style. And then after the styles are installed, we are going to refresh our YouTube page. So after you have restored the old layout, make sure to go to the full screen of the video and then check for any bars or elements in the video. Well, I don't see any bars or elements in my video, but if you see any bar or elements in your video, then make sure to install the extension in link number 5. So here's the link, and we are going to add this extension to the Chrome. After the extension has been added, make sure to open the extension, uBlock Origin, and then click on this setting icon to open the dashboard. Afterwards, we are going to go to My Filters, and then we're going to insert the filter from number 6 on the description. So here we go. And now we're going to click Apply Changes, close this window, and give it a refresh. Now your YouTube will be reverted to the old style and you will have no bars or elements when you are going full screen. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, please do leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos like these.